Magandang araw mga kabihero! For today's travel, we are going to Serhas in Santa Elena. For you to reach the place, from Camarines Norte, ride a bus going to Santa Elena or Manila and just ask them to drop you off in Purok, Barangay San Vicente, Santa Elena, Camarines Norte. Then it would just take you 47 minutes of walking and you'll get there. Good morning mga kabiyahero! Andito tayo ngayon sa Serhas, Santa Elena, River Hut and Swing. For our today's tour, papakilala ko sa inyo si Kuya Christian. So siya yung magtutour guide sa atin today. Hi ka naman Kuya Christian. Ayan, tara na!
Agritourism Park in Jersey.
For a traveler like me, quick orientation is very important to understand the do's and don'ts and what the place can offer. Time to explore the area. Tara! Just a gentle reminder to our plantitos and plantitas, plant picking is highly prohibited in the area, so please, wag mo nang ituloy yan. For your lunch, they have short order meal like lomi and miki bihon. If you're hungry enough, you can try their combo meal served with rice, side dish, fruit slice, and iced tea or soda at a very affordable price. I ordered fried pork and yummy! For their water sports, they offer kayak, non-motorized boat, and paddleboard, which you can rent for an hour. Unfortunately, it's not possible at this time because of the current weather. Sayang naman. If you're not into water sports, that's okay. They offer Kawa Hot Bath for a 15-minute relaxation. You're taking a bath while looking at the river. Wait, there's more! You can level up your experience by trying their jacuzzi. Perfect na perfect for a couple while you're eating fruits in the morning. Iba, lakas makasosyal! They also have this area for Bonfire, although this activity is available for overnight guests only. Back to their main attraction. Heto na naman tayo sa mga Instagrammable sceneries. Siguradong hindi ka mauubusan dito. If you were going to ask me, this is truly my favorite spot. Ang sarap mag-coffee dito while you're looking at the river. A lot of people are trying to visit this place because of their swings. Tara, syempre hindi tayo papahuli. Kahit umulan, the show must go on. Sulit! Teka nga, wait lang. Usap muna kami ni Papagad. Baka mapakiusapang mapatigil ang ulan. Kidding aside, if you're the kind of person who loves to take photos, trust me, you are in the right place. This is also perfect for family bonding as I am sure na mag-e-enjoy ang inyong mga chikiting sa lugar na ito. And for barkada trip, There are a lot of areas that you can choose para pag-usapan yung tropa nyong magaling sa drawing. If you're planning to stay overnight, you have three options. You can stay at Serhas huts inspired by our traditional Bahay Kubo that's good for two. It offers one double bed that would surely give you a worry-free sleep at night. Pero teka, there's one thing that I like the most about this place, and that is their modernized comfort room. San ka pa? You can check in at 2 p.m. and check out at 11 a.m. the next day. Smoking and drinking of alcohol in the area is prohibited, and you have to keep your noise at a minimum as they would like to maintain the peacefulness of the place. Aside from Serhas Hut, they offer a standard tent with mattress and pillows for comfortability. For 3 to 4 persons, you can try their group glamping. Overall, it was a great experience. Although it's raining and I missed the river part, I was still able to enjoy the place as there are lots of Instagrammable sceneries and their coffee tables are superb. The nature trip itself was awesome, and adding these tables, chairs, and swings made it more vibrant. And of course, it's not just about the place, but it's also about the people in the area who are so accommodative and helpful, especially our tour guide. As a reminder, leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures, and kill nothing but time. Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. See you on our next travel. Bye for now!